And welcome to my channel. Today I'm cleaning and decluttering underneath my kitchen sink. This is where I store all my kitchen cleaning supplies, and it has gotten messy and so dirty. First thing that I'm going to do is remove everything and wipe the cabinet out and on the outside. Once the cabinet is completely empty and wiped down, I am going to go through items and see what I can get rid of and what I can keep. Since I have done decluttering about a month ago, there isn't a lot to get rid of, but the containers need to get wiped down, and I like to keep alike things together and consolidate some of them into one. When I first organized this cabinet, I went on Pinterest and got tons of ideas. If you like to follow me on Pinterest, it's linked in the description box. I found what I liked and shopped my home for containers first before I went shopping and got some more. That's why maybe they don't always match as well as they should. All of the containers do come from a dollar store, either it's a Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I like to empty the dishwashing tablets into a container. I just think it gets rid of the ugly tub, and it makes it look, and it gives it a more sleek look. I also like to keep all of my kitchen cleaning products in the caddy with the handle. That way I can just take the whole thing out when I'm doing my kitchen cleaning, which is pretty much every night.
I also would like to mention that today's video is part of a collaboration hosted by Small Town 6. If you have not checked out Tiff's channel, make sure you head on over to the description box. The link will be there, as well as the playlist for this collaboration. We're here to inspire you in getting your home cleaned and organized.
We also have this RO water system in the back, the right hand corner. It is a big water reservoir, and so it makes it a little bit harder to organize everything in there, but I think I made it. I also have this dish rag organizer on the side of the cabinet, and I like to leave my dish drying mat to dry at the end of the night. About you guys, but my cabinet right underneath my sink gets so dirty. I don't know if it's some of the soap drips down or whatnot, so I just wrapped a knife around the rag so I don't scratch it, and just kind of try to get the gunk out from the corners. And I also use an old toothbrush to brush it out. I clean my kitchen cabinets on the outside almost every week, but this one just gets really yucky. This one and the one that holds the garbage. I filled up my sink with some hot water and I think it was citrus, tangerine, or orange scented pine sol, because that is the only cleaning all-purpose dilutable cleaner I could find at the store. And I love the citrus smell, so I filled it up, like I said, with hot water, added some cleaner, and I wiped down the cabinets and all the containers with that solution. that is it for this cleaning and organizing video. At the end, I included before and after pics.
Also, don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be linked down below, as well as Tiff's channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.